Right now, you are probably drinking a beer, thinking about having a beer or recovering from one, but cracking open a cold one is actually a 10 million year old ritual. Long before humans invented TikTok, the wheel, or even farming, our furry ancestors were getting buzzed in the woods. Our love affair with alcohol did not start at a trendy local brewery. It started on a dusty forest floor in Africa when a tiny primate ate a piece of rotten fruit, felt a little tingly, and thought, hey, I am definitely doing that again. This is what scientists call the drunken monkey hypothesis. When fruit falls and sits in the sun, it naturally ferments and creates ethanol. For millions of years, our ancestors actively hunted down these spicy street fruits. By the time humans evolved, the craving for a drink was already hardwired into our DNA. We did not learn to love alcohol. We evolved for it. Eventually, we got tired of waiting for fruit to rot and decided to make our own. 13,000 years ago, in a place called Rakefet Cave in Israel, hunter-gatherers were already brewing beer from wild wheat and barley. Here's the wild part. These people were still nomads. They did not even have permanent homes yet, but they absolutely made time to build a cave brewery. If you want to discover more bizarre secrets about human history, hit that subscribe button.